Harvey. Today I am going to show you how to make Father's Day greeting card. We have to take one A4 colored paper and fold it. Now we will keep our hand and draw. Now we have to cut it. After cutting, they look like this. Now we will take one A4 paper and fold it. Only little. Now we have to cut it. Now I am going to show you the next part. First we have to fold it here to here.
To fold front, this back, front, this back, front, this one back and front. Now we are going to write this much. Now we have to keep back, front, back, front, back, front and back. Now we are going to close like this in the front and little in the back. Now we are going to take the both hands and stick this one which we fold to one hand. Finally it looks like this. Now we are going to write I love my daddy.
I have written Happy Father's Day in the front, and in the back I wrote I love my father and best father ever.